Hello guys and welcome back. I'm Macy, this is Lauren, but today we are doing, what do I even explain this? This is like my favorite video to film because we get to review coffee and Lauren is a barista, so she has like the expert opinion.
The inside. Today
we are gonna go through Starbucks and try healthy holiday Starbucks drinks, and at the end we're just gonna share some Starbucks hacks with you guys when ordering because barista here, coffee connoisseur here, it's just the perfect match. Like always, I've done 2 of these videos before and I always use the drink orders from the macrobarista on Instagram. His name is Alex and he has like healthier versions for all Starbucks drinks. So that's what we're gonna do. But we're gonna drive through Starbucks right now and try some healthy holiday drinks because, okay, don't get me wrong, like if you just want to order a regular peppermint mocha, that is totally fine. But like if you're trying to make this an everyday thing, going for the healthier option is better.
Good afternoon, what's next? Can I get started for you?
Tell him to order.
Hi there, can we do 2 separate orders please?
Sure, just let me know on the split then.
Alright, so for the first order, can I do a grande iced coffee with 2 pumps of sugar-free vanilla, 1 pump of peppermint, and 1 pump of mocha, and then light cream?
You got it. 2 pumps sugar-free vanilla, 1 pump peppermint, and then...
Can I also do another iced coffee with 1 pump of gingerbread and 2 pumps of sugar-free cinnamon dulce?
You got it.
And then light cream in that as well. For this next order, can I just do a tall hot caramel brulee latte?
Unfortunately, we don't have caramel brulee today. We ran out a couple days ago. We should have it by tomorrow.
Okay, no worries. Can I do a toasted white mocha, tall?
Of course.
And can I get that half sweetened with almond milk?
And that one's half sweet?
Yes, please.
You got it. What else can I get for you today?
That'll be it.
Alrighty. $4.65 at the window.
Thank you so much.
We did it. We made it through.
Okay guys, I know that sounds so obnoxious,
but it's worth it.
and also, like I've talked about this before, like the baristas, they're not gonna hate you.
Blinded.
Like sure, they'll be annoyed in the moment, but it's okay.
I can open my eyes.
Hello.
Hi.
$5.90.
All right.
Do you mind if I?
Yeah, no.
There you go.
Thank you.
Yeah, no worries. Free vanilla and the peppermint.
Perfect.
And then here's the gingerbread and cinnamon dulce.
Perfect. Thank you.
Okay, that second one for
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
So we're gonna pull over and try them and give an honest review. My mom said in the last one we weren't hard enough on them. Like we gotta say what's right and what's wrong about them, okay? Worst parking ever, but it doesn't matter.
No, it's fine.
We're back. So how you order is a grande iced coffee with 1 pump gingerbread, 2 pumps sugar-free cinnamon dulce, and light cream. Okay.
It's iced coffee.
Oh, it's really good. It's just really sweet. And it tastes like Christmas in a cup. And I'll have his Instagram link down below so if you guys want to order hot or whatever.
Ooh, baby, that's sweet.
Yeah, it's really sweet. But it's good.
It does taste really good though.
I would recommend like just 1 pump of gingerbread and 1 pump sugar-free cinnamon dulce because...
Yeah, 1 pump of each.
Yeah.
Keep the light cream though.
I think we just think it's so sweet because we don't usually order drinks like this. The next one is the sugar-free... Oh, okay, so this was supposed to be an iced peppermint mocha latte, but I'm just realizing that they forgot the mocha, so this is a peppermint vanilla, which could still be good. We might have done something right here.
It's an iced coffee.
So how you order this is an iced coffee with 2 pumps sugar-free vanilla, 1 pump peppermint, and then it's supposed to be 1 pump of mocha, but they forgot that. But it's okay, we'll still try it.
It's okay. I don't like chocolate anyways. Good.
That's really good. Oh yeah, you don't like chocolate. Okay. I really like that. That's also Christmas in a
expectations
cup.
for this one. Ooh.
You like it?
That's really good.
And then as we like drink these, I'll put the calories and everything.
3 pumps of vanilla would be good.
Yeah, and 1 pump peppermint. Sugar-free vanilla, that is.
Yeah.
That's really yummy. Whoa, okay.
Ooh.
I forget that I can like do the adjustments. This is the toasted white mocha, half sweet and with almond milk. So, let's try
Here we go.
That tastes like a marshmallow. That is good.
A marshmallow?
That tastes like dessert. I really like that. I honestly can't imagine having that like full sweet because, do you like it?
Okay, I like it.
Really?
Except it's 1.5 pumps toasted white mocha. I would do like 2.
Yeah, so this is, half sweet is 1.5 pumps of toasted white mocha. Lauren, the barista, recommend doing 2 because I feel like that would be like the perfect amount.
This also does come with whipped cream, so...
Ask for no whip if you're being super health conscious.
Yeah.
But
otherwise, if you want to enjoy the whip, enjoy the whip.
Okay, rating, I like
this one the best.
I like this one. I also...
Marshmallow in a cup.
In my opinion, I feel like holiday drinks should all be hot. But I did ice just because we live in California and...
It's too hot. And then I would put the iced coffee with peppermint and vanilla second.
Yeah. but we would recommend doing a little bit more vanilla.
Yeah.
What would make the iced coffee with the peppermint and the vanilla like way better would be 1 pump of white chocolate syrup, because
it would balance it out.
It would balance out like the vanilla and the peppermint. I don't know. It just like needs something.
Yeah. Right now it's like overpowering with peppermint.
And then the gingerbread.
And then the gingerbread iced coffee.
Now it's time for some Starbucks hacks. If you want to make any of these holiday drinks healthier, just order them half sweet.
Almond milk, soy milk, coconut
almond milk, any other milk, because that's just like better for you.
You can take the whipped cream off, because a lot of holiday drinks come with whipped cream.
Don't get any whipped cream. I'm not saying like you have to order these healthy, complex drinks every time. It's just like if it's your everyday coffee, you don't want to be drinking like 400 calories, you know? Might as well cut some macros out of your cut some macros out. I want another sip of my marshmallow.
Your marshmallow?
Yeah. I might do another video of these just doing hot drinks, because I just love hot drinks. This is one that I was really shocked by. If you want to get like a latte, instead of getting a latte, get a double shot espresso on ice and add your almond milk and your flavors or whatever, and it is so much cheaper. It's like $2.95. These 2 iced coffees together were $5.90, which is like really good for Starbucks, because sometimes one drink can be like $6. So instead of a latte, you can get like iced coffee and add flavors, because coffee's cheaper than espresso. Honestly, the greatest Starbucks hack of all time is just ordering plain coffee and getting cream in it. That's what I do now, because I can't afford these.
Another one I liked was just plain cup of coffee with cream and like 2 pumps of peppermint.
Oh, that sounds
That's
good.
It's really good.
Yeah, so basically
it's just like a little hint of holiday.
Yeah. If you like the super sweet desserty drinks, you will like any of these like holiday drinks. But yeah, that is our trying healthy holiday Starbucks drinks.
Thanks for joining us.
Yes, this was part 3. Were you in all the parts?
I was in part 2 and part 3.
Okay, yeah.
But part 1, I wasn't there for.
It's okay. You are now. But I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys try any of these drinks, let me know, and let me know which ones you guys like. Again, follow the macrobarista on Instagram, because he's the one that makes all the drinks. He has like so many different ideas. We only tried 3, but his whole Instagram is like full of them. So you'll definitely find one that you like. But like I said, it's totally fine to treat yourself and just get a normal one. This is just for people who coffee is like their everyday thing. If you guys like these Starbucks videos, give it a thumbs up. If you found it helpful, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, still give it a thumbs up. But we'll see you guys.
And don't forget to like and subscribe.
I was gonna say we will see you guys in our next video, but they won't see you. We're going back to college today. Yeah. Okay. Bye-bye, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video.